So I couldn't sit still anymore. I went to Cabo. I had to. A lot of people told me I shouldn't go. They said, you shouldn't travel at a time like this. It's very irresponsible. But I was about to snap. So I consider it a mental health day. It's for my mental health. You wouldn't mental health shame, would you? I didn't think so. I spent a week sitting on the beach drinking margaritas and writing. I also took my nieces out on an ATV ride, and it's kind of fun to scare kids. She handled it like a boss. Let's do this, kiddo. You ready? All right. Knuckle up. But if you listen carefully, you can hear her scream. I also totaled my drone, which sucks. I don't even know how much it's gonna cost to fix it. Probably every dollar I have in my checking account. That's usually how it works out. Before I crashed it though, I managed to get it up over a remarkable stretch of beach called the Corridor in between Cabo San Lucas and San Jose. So without any more commentary, enjoy this moment of zen. Peace.